Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Toggl Track for time entries that drive decisions, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Toggl Track, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Toggl Track, www.toggl.com. Once the web page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Toggl account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. For those who prefer to log in using a social media account, look for the options available for Google or Facebook login. Select the appropriate button and follow the prompts to authenticate. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Toggl Track dashboard. Here, you can view your time entries and analytics. To make time entries that drive decisions, navigate to the time tracking section. Click on the plus button or the Add Time Entry option. Fill in the necessary details such as project, duration, and description. You can also add tags to categorize your time entries for better insights. When finished, click the Save button to record your entry. You can repeat this process for each task or project you want to track. As you continue to log your time, revisit the dashboard to analyze your tracked hours. Use this data to inform your decisions and optimize your work patterns. Remember, Toggl Track provides various reports that can help highlight productivity trends. Explore these features to maximize your efficiency and decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.